Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Miller back with another second step lesson. Remember, our SEL lessons are social emotional learning lessons. And last time we met, we've talked about focusing our attention. And last time we talked about how to use self-talk. Today and tomorrow we're going to be learning about following directions. So like I said last week, we learned about using self-talk to help us focus our attention on what we need to do. Let's see what Mike and Mary are doing today. First, I get my hands wet, then I rub with soap, then I rinse them off and dry them very well. What do you think Mike is doing? What do you think? Tell me. What do you think Mike was doing? Yeah, I'm singing a song to help me remember all the hand washing steps. Does it help? Yes, I used to forget to wet my hands before putting soap on them. Now I remember that step every time. Well done, Mike. You found a way to remember all the hand washing steps. You use self-talk by singing your song. Self-talk helps you remember what to do. Can you teach me your song? Sure. First I get my hands wet, then I rub with soap, then I rinse them off and dry them very well. Good job, Mike. Last week you learned that self-talk can help you stay focused on what you have to do. This week you discovered you could also use self-talk to say all the steps for doing things so that you could follow all the directions. Thank you for helping us learn a way to remember. Now remember, we are talking about following directions, and sometimes when we follow directions, it can be hard and we forget steps. So we can repeat them over and over to help us remember them. We're going to listen to our learner song. We're going to listen to verse 4 of the How to Learn song. So give me just 1 second so I can share the audio with you. All right, here we go. I think I forgot to hit share. I need to remind myself of following the directions. So first hit share screen, then hit share. So let's try that one more time. All right, here we go.
We say directions again. We say directions again. This is how we all can learn. We say directions again.
All right, that was better. So did you hear what the song said? It says, we say directions again. We say directions again, right? So you say them over and over. So how many times has your mom told you, go to your room, pick up your laundry, make your bed, right? So maybe like 3 directions, and you get to your room, you go, wait, what was I supposed to do? One thing you could do to help you remember to follow directions is repeat them to yourself. Go to my room, pick up my laundry, make my bed. Go to my room, pick up my laundry, make my bed. Go to my room, pick up my laundry, make my bed. You could even kind of sing it, and that will help us follow directions. So tomorrow or later this week when I see you again, we're going to be still talking about following directions and some tips on how we can remember all the steps we need to following directions. I'll see you guys really soon.